Hi there, this week's question is installed RAM on your computer. What is next? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly. This is a very easy question to answer, and we're going to start off with one of the simplest things that you can do for your computer, which is install and add RAM. It's very simple, doesn't require any drivers, you can just add it in. And provided that all of the RAM is basically the same type of RAM, you will never really experience any issues whatsoever, provided that it is compatible with your main board and processor. Which means that for the uninitiated, this is probably the simplest, easiest quality of life add-on that you can have for your computer. However, many end users, and this may include yourself, don't necessarily know about the extra step that you have to go through in order to make the RAM actually operate at the rated speeds that the manufacturer has indicated. So, in order to get the RAM to run as fast as your manufacturer indicates, you'll have to go into your BIOS. You have to go into advanced. You have to go into the overclocking settings, go into the XMP settings and select the XMP1 profile for your RAM. Hopefully it is there. And for most newer boards and newer RAM DIMMs, they usually are. And this will actually allow your computer to operate the RAM at the speeds your manufacturer has intended and rated it for. If you don't do this, the RAM will simply run slower at a default base clock, and that is it. And for many people, this is entirely fine. But there is no point in buying a Ferrari just to drive 10 feet each way. So, if you're one of those people out there that got really fast RAM to have really good experience in gaming and other tasks, please go into the BIOS and update the profile on the RAM. And this works as long as all the RAM in your main board is the same. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and use the contact form to email me directly. And I'm still playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla, so if you want to see me play that, go over to twitch.tv/ZAccess1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.